with AirAsia, so that's pretty exciting. Um, yeah, we got a pretty good outline going. Talk about a couple of key things relating to airlines specifically. We're really hoping that this goes really well and that they make a move in the right direction to, partnering up or investing in ADHERE ultimately. Both would be super cool. Yeah, we think, it's kind of cool the international attention that we're getting. I think there's something there, and we're still kind of navigating to figure out exactly what that is, but it's very clear that there's a lot of international interest in what we're doing. It might be because a lot of the airports internationally are more advanced. They're more um, technologically advanced than what we have in the States. So it might match up a little bit better with where they're at. Whereas here, it's a little bit of a disruption in some vantage points because our infrastructure is so dated. So, but yeah, so we're gonna got this meeting in 5 minutes, and we'll record it, and then we'll do a good review after it and post the results up. So it is 11 o'clock at night, by the way. In Malaysia, it is 11 o'clock in the morning, so right before their lunchtime. So, all right, we'll check in with everybody later. ADHERE, you're out. ADHERE Gear Prototype Program. It is 11:11. We are still patiently waiting. We're the only one in the participant queue for the teleconference call. So we'll wait a little bit longer, thinking probably they got caught up in whatever meeting came before that it ran over. So we will patiently wait.